fix YouTube TV keep on buffering is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can fix YouTube TV is keep on buffering. Whenever you open YouTube TV, it just keeps on buffering and doesn't load. So this error could be due to internet connection. So how can you fix that? So make sure your internet connection is working. In order to ensure that, make sure to connect, check if your internet connectivity. The second thing that you can try is you can try connecting another internet connection. Other than that, try different internet connection. And if that thing doesn't work, you have to make sure if YouTube TV is available in your region. Currently YouTube TV is only available in USA. If you have to make sure if you live in USA. So the third thing that you can try is try to closing and reopening the application. If that thing doesn't work, just try it, turn off the device and turn it on. This thing might help. If this thing doesn't help, you might have to reset your whole TV settings in order to get that. Just make sure if YouTube TV is updated or not. After doing or checking all of this thing, your problem should be gone. That's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.